So here is my week 3 proof assignment recording. So I am required to show that my server has been promoted to a domain and also have the Active Directory services running, and also to show that I am logged in as an administrator both in the command line interface and the graphical user interface. So here is my local server. It has been promoted to a domain, and it's called faces.hub.local. Also to show that I have the Active Directory service active, I'll open the tools and open the Active Directories Active Directory views, and why to open here is the Active Directory service users and computers part, where I can add users and remove users and also manage groups. Also to show that I am logged in as an administrator, I'll open the command line and type who am I. As you can see, I'm logged in as faces local/administrator. I'm logged in as the administrator. Next, I will now show that I'm logged in as an administrator in the graphical user interface. I'll go to the Windows button, click Settings. At the top right corner of the settings, you can see that I am logged in as administrator. You can see that first says .local at administrator at first says .local. For me, I can